All right, pushing up 19,000. Crazy move. Market's up over 10%. It's absolutely nuts. So how's everyone doing today? Still pushing up 19,000 now. What a move, guys. Almost up 11% now. Up 1,850 points. Absolutely insane. Hey! Great. Thank you. Good luck on your trades again. I can't wait to get back into it. I just have to spend more time on my current business before I get back to the futures. Oh, yes. So I've been there too. You know, back and forth. Appreciate you. Appreciate the support, man. Wow, what a move up there. On an eval. Wild. Not hard to hit daily loss limit. Yo, Vince, what's up? How's it going, Vince? I mean, she's just trying it out, so I'm sure she'll be back. Wow, look at that rip there. You can bust through the highs here. I added, got 2 on. Lots of slippage there. Oh, nice. Yeah, so I think she might be getting back into it, Vince. I'm not quite sure. Left order on there. Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm just playing around with this eval here. My funded futures. Go ahead and smash the like button for me if you guys are just tuning in. Decided to hop on. I'm sitting here trading anyway, so. Short wood chip. Hey, what's going on, man? Appreciate you guys stopping in. Coach Fred, what's happening? What a day, Donna. I have no idea loading what's going to happen with CPI tomorrow. I have no idea. I mean, this is totally news-based pump action. The Trump eases off on tariffs with countries that don't retaliate, I guess, or something, or put on 90-day hold. So, yeah. So yeah. So just kind of crazy. I mean, I don't know. Currently on this My Founded Future eval, we got 2 passed today. Working on a 3rd, failed 1. Yeah, Asia's gonna be crazy too, loading. Yeah, for sure. I think you guys are right. Oh, nice Eric Lake, see? It's because you used my link, bro. it's the luckiest code on the prop streets. 0 Day has the best code, supposedly, but mine's the luckiest, so I'll take lucky any day. Yeah, which is just a little 120 point pullback there. No big deal. No big deal. These almost look like equal highs, don't they? Not quite. Definitely a double top. Hey Anna, how's it going? Thanks for joining me on Power Hour, guys. I will be on tonight at 6 p.m. too, but I figure I'm gonna get the grind in. I want to get those 1,000 subs. So if you guys haven't subbed, please sub. Trying to get that grind. JC Trades, what's happening? I was sitting here trading anyway, so. I did pass a few. What did I do? I passed one. Hit daily loss limit on one Tradeify. I passed one Tradeify. So I got one Tradeify that I passed, a growth account. So that'll be activated tonight. Yeah, Eric Segura, all the time, man. All the time. I had to take a break in 2022, go back to work after I nearly blew up all my money. But yeah, 100%, man. That's the thing, is I think the reason why I'm still in this game is because I'm stubborn and I just won't quit. And I had to do whatever I had to do to get more evals, do DoorDash, Walmart Spark, Uber Eats, all that stuff, you know? Now it's, you know, essentially I have 2 jobs. Because the streaming, the YouTube, and then the trading too, you know. It's first world problems, but streaming and creating YouTube stuff is, you know, it does take up a lot of time. It really does. But it beats a real job. Trade of 8 screwed lots of people today, Black Beauty. Oh no. Did it freeze up? Probably froze up on this massive spike. Yeah, Donna, and I see potential too. I see potential with the YouTube. I see, you know, affiliates going up, affiliate money. If I was able to have all the affiliates like most of the streamers and stuff, it would be better, obviously. But with the growth of the channel, you know, just that equity curve, like I see a lot of potential with the channels for as a extra income too, along with the trading. So yeah, but it's definitely been a grind, and I've almost quit, Derek. I've almost quit YouTube a few times, you know. when you first start, like the first months, you know, it's like when you have nobody to talk, like no one's watching your videos that you're making, no one's like, you know, there's no one in the chat. There's like it's kind of a grind for a while. If you go back to my old videos, I mean, it's horrible. Let's take a peek while see what the market's doing here. I might take a short here. I'm gonna switch to micros though. This is a little scary. See if we can actually hold on to this account for a bit. Let's look for a break here, 61. What do I use for a camera and mic? So I have pretty inexpensive setup. Always Rise. I have a JBL mic. It was on sale for like 40 bucks. And I have a Elgato face cam. That was like $100 webcam. I don't have the $4,000 cameras like Alpine. $5,000 camera like Alpine. It's just an Elgato face cam, and it's the same one Methodical Man uses, I think. It's pretty good, and it's plug and play. It's, you know, all USB, so I've been pretty happy with it. It's shut off on me a few times, but and it's small, and I can just put it in my backpack. And oh, that's good, Eric. Yeah, just don't give up, man. Try to keep your expenses as low as possible and just don't give up. JP Morgan rescinds recession forecast now. Oh, right. Yeah, exactly, Black Beauty. Oh, thanks, Always Rise. Yeah. I mean, I'd like to upgrade the microphone eventually. But I'm short. Three micros. Trailing my stop. I think we can get more. Trailing my stop. Trailing. Trailing. Stopped out there. Up 768. That was just with 3 micros. That's how crazy that is. We could take out 830s, possibly. That was just an inside bar break. I know, Anna. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit of an adjustment to. I noticed like even a week ago, like adjusting to after the volatility, maybe a week and a half ago, like it slowed down a bit. Hey, Rock Driller, what's going on? What's going on, buddy? Tariffs backed off to 10%. China 125%. Yes, yeah. So that was the news that we got. Something to do with the backing off on countries, countries that not retaliating, from what I hear. TCG Andy, what's up? Favorite prop firm? Probably Take Profit Trader or My Funded Futures. Dylan. Top Step. Those are like my top 3. Take Profit Trader is just very difficult for newer traders. My Funded Futures is probably the easiest payout you can get. My Funded Futures starter account. And Take Profit Trader, obviously with the daily payouts, is great, but if you're if you can get there, if you're a good trader, you know. I shouldn't say good trader, I just say, you know, more an experienced trader. Tradeifys, I like Tradeifys too, Eric. Like for some reason Tradeify, I bought some Tradeify today, I passed one. So I got a growth account going. Hit daily loss limit on this one. Big slippage. So probably like nothing left on it. Yeah, I think it's blown. I did pass a growth account today, so I got another Tradeify account. Trying to get off my PA and try funded. But yeah, my funded future starter account, guys, I think that it's kind of like one of those things that one of those props that I really just gave me confidence to start getting payouts on. Apex was my first payouts ever, and then I started getting a lot of Top Step, and then Apex, I mean, my funded future starter accounts, like, for real. I showed you last night my RiseWork account for my payouts, and it really like kind of build the confidence and like get that money flowing in, because you only need 5 days of $100 or more to get a payout on a My Funded Future starter account. So, you know, you make $1,300 on a My Funded Future starter account in 5 days, and then you take a $1,200 payout. It blows the account, but you can actually do it. They'll actually let you withdraw the whole thing. Hey, prelim, so the next 90 days will be bullish during these tariff pauses, but if they start up again, we just dump even faster. Yeah, I agree with you, 96. Hey Frank, what's going on? I just passed an Apex 50K. A gross P&L is 7,500. Do I get any of this money when... No, Frank. You all you did was pass the evaluation. So you just passed the account. So now you'll get a funded account. The funded account, then you got to build that up too. So you passed the test. Congratulations, by the way. So it's on Apex 50K. It's when you get a funded account, so they call it a PA account. You get it to $2,600, and then you can take out $600, and then you can build it up from there. And then 2,000 will be your buffer, so your max drawdown will be $2,000. Hey, Ron. Oh, it took me, well, I'll tell you, Ron, it took me since 2021 to even, I started trading in 2021. It took me, when did I get it? I'm drawing a blank. This market's got me crazy. Here, I'll show you my tweet. So you guys haven't followed me on Twitter? Give me a follow on the OX. So 2021, 0 payouts. 2022, 0 payouts. 23, 0 payouts. 2024, 60,000 in payouts. And I just put never give up. So took me like 3.5 years to get a payout. Granted, I didn't trade full time, but yeah, I mean, once it starts coming in, and then I haven't missed a payout in like months, like over a year. probably. I haven't had missed at least getting a payout every month. And some months I'm still negative a little bit. Some months I'm positive, but I make enough now to make a living, you know. Did I spend many thousands? Not really, truth. Only about 8 or 9 thousand bucks. Because I wasn't trading full time, but I did blow up a bunch of personal accounts. You know, that was the big cost. And now, are you living from your trading? Yes, Ron. I do make a little bit of affiliate money, but it's not a whole lot. I make like 30, 40 bucks a day, 50 bucks a day on affiliate money from YouTube. It's not really enough to live on. But I also lived completely debt-free, Ron. I have no mortgage, I have no car payment, I have no anything. So I got my DLL shit dialed in so I can get my payouts on schedule. Nice, 96. So yeah, a little backstory with me is like I ended up I built my own house, so like myself, and then it took me over 20 years to build it. Started building it 2003, 4, something like that. And back when I was working full time, and then I would just build it with, you know, out of my pocket with cash as best I could. So I got crumbs all over me. I'm wearing all black. A nice push up here. Got in a little late on this. Oh, so whippy. Disciplined trader, what's going on? Oh, thanks, Anna. Yeah, that's when I streamed mostly. I already stopped out on that. Took a little hit. Ron, so I do the Asia market stream. That's kind of like the market reopens, so 6 p.m. Eastern. That's when I usually stream. That's kind of what built the channel. That's what's building the channel, is that stream, because no one else is streaming then. So yeah. No, not really, honest take. Nope. I passed some evals, blew a bunch of evals. I don't have any funded accounts right now. I'm invested in, not financial advice, but I invested in back in the JEPQ on the personal, so I won't be trading futures with that anymore. I'm fully loaded with JEPQ, and yeah, I'm just gonna be focusing on the props for now. I got that Pro Plus account coming, honest take, so that's a live account. So I'm like, well, you know what? I'm just gonna try to trade that and work on the Pro Plus. I used to do that Always Rise. So that's actually how I got back into trading futures, is I invested in a bunch of houses that were like falling over, and I built them, I rebuilt them and stuff. That's what I did. I worked for the post office for 15 years as a mail carrier, and then I done all kinds of construction and all that kind of stuff too. And then while I was working for the post office, I was buying houses, foreclosed homes with cash, you know, and then I ended up fixing them up recently, so. $150-point stop wood chip? I know the feeling, bro. Yeah, it must be up like 150-point stop, like up here somewhere. Very bear flag ish. Hey, Benjamin369, thanks for the sub. So yeah, we're approaching that 1,000 sub mark. So I'm short too. Micros, 3 micros on his eval only. Yeah, tomorrow I'll have all kinds of funded accounts. Today I just don't have any. And hopefully I get my Pro Plus account, Take Profit Trader here, that live account in a few days. Come on, let's take out that wick there. Feeling real heavy. I think I agree with you, Woodchip. I feel like it could go. Excuse me. I feel like it could go lower. Tempted to add one and try to see if we can get a runner. 2. Come up and get me. This market is very dangerous, guys. If you guys are already made money, green for the day, just count your blessings and just and just be done, you know. I'm still degenning these evals, trying to build up some accounts. We passed like 4 Apex accounts today. We passed 2 My Funded Futures. Passed a Take Profit Pro account. We passed a Tradeify account. I spent some money, but that Apex deal, that 90% off, so I didn't really spend that much because it was 90% off, so they're only like $15 evals. Alright, there's took off 3 there. I'm gonna leave a runner. Just gonna leave a runner way down here. See if we can actually get a big flush. I'm actually just gonna move that stop just above this candle. It's high here. See if we get a big push. Good call, wood chip. It's crazy. We're almost 100-point trade. Like nada. Yeah, keep in mind I have these in 50 grids. These are 50-point grids. If I move, like I usually trade in normal markets, I usually trade 10s. That's what I usually trade. adding here. Added 2. I get stopped out of break even on the second ad here. It's fine. Stops in a good place, really. So kind of like it. Hey James, what's going on? $18,000 has some gaps below. Crazy if we could catch yeah, big gaps below. Catch a big runner on a micro. So we're gonna get stopped out break even. Yep. Alright. So we got a little bit out of that one. It's alright, we added, so I'm trying to hold on to this one, this bad Moxie. Trying to hold on to this eval. So I got no funded accounts to trade right now, so I'm trying to hold on to this one for a little bit longer. This is an eval too, but and currently right now, you know, Apex and Belanox are not running that good of sales, so only this morning there was a flash sale D-shoe. That was it. I ended up picking up a bunch of Apex accounts with a flash sale. They're 90% off. It was a good day for it. For sure. But yeah, it came at a good time in the flash sales. I mean, trades by Matt must have made, if I had to guess, he probably made $40,000 today in affiliates. Just a guess. Hey, Dan Emmons, what's happening, buddy? All right, pushing back up, 850s. Does it? Hey, is anyone know? Does it use? If you use my code PINE for the wealth charge, does it still give you 90% off? Does anyone know? Can someone try it and just report back to me? Like, you don't have to buy it. Just, I'd appreciate it. Hey Butch, what's happening, buddy? Doing good, doing good. Yeah. There'll be a reset sale tomorrow. Yeah. That's for sure, Mad Moxie. Wow. Another push back up here. Jeez, 200 points. Insane. Oh, okay. Thank you, Rag. Thanks for trying. See, that's the thing, man. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna get into it, but you know. All right. 18,900. Pulling back here. Hey, thanks, Butch. Appreciate it. Yeah. It's making it easier to stream, to be honest with you guys. Platform is wealth charts. It's Apex. Dishu. Apex. I've never tried wealth charts. It's just another thing like Top Step X or something like that. Belanox X. Project X, I mean. Wow. Still lots of volatility, guys. I think tonight, 6 o'clock, when we hop back on tonight, I think the volatility is going to be even more insane. If you guys do me a favor, 66 of you watching, smash that like button for me. I appreciate you guys hanging out on the Power Hour stream. I'm doing a 3 a day today. I did a morning stream. I did an afternoon stream. I'm gonna hop on again at 6 p.m. Let's try to get this channel to 1,000 subs, huh? $50 off. Passing eval needs small in Asia. Oh, need something small in Asia. So you only need 50 bucks, Butch. Yeah, that's the hardest $50 to get, right? The hardest 50 bucks. But in this market, you can do it with 1 micro. In this market, for sure. Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I did. I lost $800 with 2 micros this morning on stream. Just 2 micros. So yeah, definitely can do it with 1 micro. 100%. I wouldn't even. I don't know, not financial advice, but yeah, I wouldn't even sweat it. Take your setup, 1 micros, see what's happening. Hey, Wisdom Fear, Trump speaking now? Great. So we'll get more movement. Maybe I'll go for 1, right? One mini, 50 bucks. No big deal. Whoops. Oh yeah, he is speaking. Some photo op thing. But yeah, definitely could shake things up if he says anything about the tariffs or whatever. If he says, maybe I'm not gonna, maybe he takes back what he said earlier. So I see, yeah, so yeah, just be aware of that, guys, that he is speaking. Something to be aware of. I was really thinking long there too. But let's wait for Harami or something. Yeah, no more tariffs. Market would shoot another 1,800 points probably. Just said we will strike a deal with everyone, even China. You didn't say it right, John. You're supposed to say China. There's supposed to be an H on the end of that. I'm just joking. Well, that's assumed, yeah. All right, pushing up here. 18,950s. So I should have a bunch of accounts tomorrow, funded accounts. Pro Plus account should be coming in soon from My Funded Futures. Not My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. Get that live account going. It's at 10,000 something dollars, the live account, so I think I'm probably gonna take out 5K though. And then just see what I can do with the remaining 5K. Because one thing I like to do is pay myself as often as I can from the prop firms. Steven, what's happening? Thanks for joining us for the Sour Power Hour. Yeah, pretty good green. I didn't make any money today, Steven, unfortunately. It was just evals and stuff. Had to do some rebuilding. My Funded Futures. I'm excited for the Starter Plus account that I passed. My Funded, this one down here. It's the Starter Plus. 151. So that one took me 2 days to pass, but I got it passed here. And yeah, I'm excited about that one. No consistency on that one. So, hey Complex, what's happening? What's going on? Wow, what a push up there, guys. Well, I was really thinking about taking a long off that break. I know it's all in hindsight. It's 135 point move there. I got a $180 option before, he said it the other day. Sold quick for 520. It shot to 10 G's. Was unreal. If it had held my target, it would have been 5 to 7 G's. Oh wow. Yeah, always rise. Yeah. Doing great, having fun with the volatility. Yeah, it is a lot of fun. I mean, it's, to be honest with you guys, it's if you have the funds, it's definitely a great time to pass some evals. Instead of getting caught in like these, you know, typical afternoon chops that we'll go back to eventually, where it's just chopping like 10, 15 points and you're like begging to make 15 points, 10 points. Like, here you can just kind of like push the button and then get 10 points. That's the truth of it, really. I mean, the whippiness, the volatility is just insane. Very bullish candle here. Let's take a look at the one. Might try. Wow. If you guys know, I like this little 9 pullback here. This little methodical band strat. Maybe he's watching while he's sitting on the beach down in Florida. Get a little pullback here to 960s. Push a button and get 50 points, Mad Moxie. So yeah, so I was actually talking about that with someone today, and I don't recommend this or anything, but like when you get a really whippy action, and this is like prop game stuff, you know. I'm not saying do this on funded accounts or anything, but you get really whippy action, you can just set a like a TP for, you know, so many ticks, say 15 points or something, and just the whip alone will get you that 15 points like that. Don't recommend doing that, but you know, our friend Alpine and stuff, like with the opening range trade that he used to do, essentially that's what he was doing, was he was using the volatility of the open to catch those 17 ticks, 18 ticks, and he was just using the volatility to do it, you know. So yeah, it is pretty interesting when it gets whippy like this, but it's also dangerous. I mean, you know, it's straight gambling. It's all gamble anyway. You put money on the table no matter what. Hopped in a long here. Off the 9 touch. Got a really bad fill. Took it off there. A little scalp, a little 10-point scalp there. That's all that's really been back tested for. It's 10 points, but in this market, I would have definitely got more, but it gets a little scary. Cause usually it's a 10-point take profit, 10 points stop loss. So interestingly, we still are barely only back to where we closed after the huge dump on Liberation Day. Yeah, that's interesting, actually, Dan. Wow, what a massive bullish candle, though, huh? This is on a daily chart. $70 people watching, guys. All right, appreciate it. The YouTube algorithms are working. Appreciate it, guys. Smash the like button. Get that. Get those algos working. The YouTube algos. Currently working on this eval here. We just took another scalp there. We took a nice trade with the micros. Took a big flush down. That was a pretty nice trade. This was a really nice trade too. Off the inside bar, 963 to 905. Yeah, past 2 my funded futures today. Working on this failed one. We're hit loss limit on this one, and working on another one here. So, and past the Tradeify, past 4 Apex accounts, and failed a few of those too, but they were 90% off, so we ain't worried about that. And passed. Oh, hit 4,500 on a 150K top step. And passed another Take Profit Pro account. I just got to flip it now for 3 days. Such a pain in the ass. I mean, I wish Take Profit Trader would just, you know, they keep the 50% consistency. You know, I would just like for them to get rid of that 5 days, obviously, but and then just keep the 50% consistency like Top Step. That'd be awesome. No upside halt, no. Oh, by the way, guys, yeah, you shouldn't be trading funded accounts either, because you're in that 2% limit thing, right? I believe. Hey G, what's happening? Nope, it didn't happen earlier either, John, when it shot up to 10%. Crazy, we just keep continuing to break. We're going for all-time highs now, G. I swear. Wow, 19,150s now. Let's take a look at the daily. Taking out April 3rd. It's high. It's trying to, which is 177. So yeah, it's pushing up towards April 3rd's high now. Used to be a $5 upside halt in the S&P pit. That was huge. Wow. So if you guys are using My Funded Futures and you want to help support my channel, you can now use my code PINE for My Funded Futures, guys. Appreciate the support. Take Profit Trader, I still don't have my own code yet. They won't give me one. But you can use my friend's code, TerryTrades100, all caps. If you guys use those two props. Very bullish. Taking out, trying to take out the high of April 3rd at 177. That's where I have it. We're at 170 now. Feel like we're just gonna push it here. I feel like YOLOing long, FOMOing long with a micro. I'll wait for this next candle. See if we get a little bit of a pullback. Hop in long. I think we're gonna take it out. $19,200. Yeah, it's right there, right for the picking, huh, Anna? I agree. Hey, Mad Max, thanks for the sub. Appreciate you tuning in, hanging out with the Power Hour. I would not be trading the pro accounts, no. Yeah, no. Top Step, my funded, like, any funded accounts, I mean, no. I mean, I believe we're within that, well within that 2% of the 7%, so. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. It's so rare, Mad Max, that's like, I'm still trying to learn how it works, you know, but yeah, it's just crazy. I mean, this is insane. This is Black Swan event stuff. No circuit breaker rule during New York session. Okay. According to Power Pack 2. Okay, it's only for the downside, Mad Moxie says. So I guess you can trade them, right? I don't know. I just... if you made money, guys, I don't know. Like, I just wouldn't be trading them. Yeah, no problem, Mad Max. Sorry I couldn't be more helpful. I'm kind of a noob when it comes to that stuff, too. There's that 19,200, Anna. Nice call on that. I wanted to YOLO long, too. Got distracted. Hey, thanks for the sub, Raisin. 22. Alright, pushing up here. We're currently working on this eval here. Been working on it on stream. Up 960. Kind of just been slinging the micros. We made one little scalp here. And a few here. And then trading the micros through in this mess. So, yeah. See what we can do. Very dangerous to trade minis right now. Plus 1115 on my Purdy Alive account today with a measly 750 daily loss of this market skill. Wow, yeah, Dan, that's a good day, bud. Nice work, man. I haven't really looked into Perdita much. I know that you've been on board with them for a while. Just working on a email to Take Profit Trader. Because they won't give me my code. Wow, pushing up to 19,205 now. Coach Fred. Apple is up. Dishu. Yeah, I imagine about everything is up. My micros quantity was set at 15. Clicked 3-4 times and realized I needed only $15 to complete an eval. Oh, did you pass it? I hope. Or did it blow? Price action like this nothing. Like this nothing works. Yeah, I know. And yeah. Oh, nice, Fred. All right, pulling back here from 250s, 204. These 50, the 50 levels, the 150s, the 50s, the 250s, like really kind of been psych levels lately. Especially today, getting like massive bounces on them, off them. Down earlier this morning, around the what was it? The 250 level. Yeah, right here. There's just a lot of support right at the 250 level. Is TPT still behind on activations? I don't know, Fred. I don't think I bought any today, TPTs. Yeah, Steven, I'll be on later today, 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Eastern, guys. If you guys are just tuning in, if you guys are new subs, I generally trade 6 p.m. Or I generally stream at the market reopens, so 6 p.m. Eastern. That's kind of like our thing. It's the turtle markets. It's it's what we call it, and yeah. Oh, so this right here is my funded futures, Barb and Gary. My funded futures, this is an evaluation. It's a prop account, prop firm account. Oh, thanks, Steven. Yeah, so I decided to hop on tonight, or this power hour, just to you know, kind of grind a little bit, see if we can pick up some new subs and stuff on this stream. Not really seeing any really good setups here. But yeah, I really want to try to get this channel over 1,000 subs. And when we get over 1,000 subs, guys, we'll do some giveaways. Cash giveaways. Appreciate it, Steven. Appreciate you stopping in. Trying to take care of some business. Some business. Smokey, what's up? Hey, Chef Chris, long time no see. What's happening? What's going on? Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, we're grinding. We're trying to grind this this channel, Smokey. Trying to grind the channel. Trying to get to 1,000 subs. Alright, we got the murder bots coming out here in about 7 minutes. Oh, yeah, started at camp, huh? Yeah, crazy camps are starting up pretty soon, huh? You wouldn't know it today with the snow. You wouldn't know it with, with the snowstorm we got last night. Damn, kind of depressing. It was pretty to look at. I think most of it's melted now, but hey, I used to register my motorcycle in April. I used to ride in April a lot, but wouldn't want to ride right now. A lot of sand on the roads too. A little scary. All right, just kind of consolidating here up here, 19,200. Got a little pop to 271 here. But what a day, guys. I mean, look at this market. $19,960 up. 60 points up. 11.4%. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. All right, 49 people watching, 48 likes. I really appreciate that, guys. Appreciate the support. If you guys, I do have a brand new code with My Funded Futures. I'm trying to promote, so they don't take it away. Use code PINE if you use My Funded Futures. Really appreciate it. Take Profit Trader, Terry Trades 100, all caps, and then of course Beal and Oxen Apex. Use code PINE. Yeah, we'll watch this last 15 minutes here. Then I'm gonna take a break, and then I'll be back at 6 p.m. Eastern time for the market reopen for a couple hours. So. Also, if you guys use Tradeify, you can use my link and then use the default code for the website, which is Spring. So, but you have to click on my link if you would like my channel to get credit for that. Hopefully, we end up getting a code soon once we get more people to use my link. I kind of have to get 1,000 in sales or something before they'll give me a custom code. So. Appreciate the support, guys. So yeah, if you're just tuning in, we ended up passing 2 My Funded Future accounts. One starter plus, one starter, 50K. We failed or hit daily loss limit on one, and we are working on another one here, starter account. We passed the Tradeify account. I failed the Tradeify account. I didn't hedge them. And I passed, I think, 4 or 5 Apex accounts today, and then blew maybe 3 or 4 of them. But they were 90% off on a flash sale this morning, so they were $15 a piece, and I was fully sending them with 10 contracts. So we're kind of trying to rebuild a little bit, Chef Chris. I'm waiting on a pro. Also passed a pro account, and I'm waiting on a pro plus account from Take Profit Trader, a live account. I made 10K on it last Thursday or Friday. I can't remember which day. I think it was Friday. Made 10K in one day on the pro account, and they forced me into a pro plus account. So I'm waiting on that live account. So that's what we got going on. But I'm pretty much just waiting on funded accounts right now. The personal account is fully invested right now, so I'm not trading any futures on it for now. Because you guys didn't know, like, I had my E-Trade investment account linked to my futures account, and then I ended up I was sitting in cash, and I decided to fully jump in some investments for the long term, for the long haul. Thought it was optional for the Pro Plus. Don't really know how that works, Mad Max. I ended up. Let's see what the email said. I'll show you the email. A little exhausted from trading. I'm trading pretty much all day, to be honest with you guys. Trash. No, it's mandatory. So you see right here, delighted, you reach $10,000 profit. In accordance with our policy, an upgrade to Pro Plus is mandatory in this scenario. We will notify you when your Pro Plus is ready. So I filled out all the paperwork, so now I'm just waiting. You want to buy these lows? Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I think this was kind of a news scandal. I mean, obviously we were super low and we were due for a bounce. Is it going to be the bottom here and we continue to push higher for the rest of the year? Don't really know. You know, I just don't know. But it's mostly a dividend investments and stuff, so it's just gonna roll, keep rolling, rolling. Keep dripping. Oh, really, Mad Max? Oh, maybe because I made 10,000 in the day. I'm not really sure. Wow, there's another pump here. So Anna was called out 200, and then here we are. We just bumped another 130 points. Up to 323 now. Ripping shorts faces off. But yeah, so I made 10,000 a day and they actually liquidated my account at the time, Mad Max. So they actually just pulled the plug and moved me right to Pro Plus. That was last Friday. So I don't know. I don't really know exactly how it works. Because it also says on my dashboard that I could withdraw that money, but I don't think I can. I can't show you because it shows all my passwords and stuff, but I'll show you the graph. So this is the journal. So I got some really nice payouts with this was a 25K account too that I did, and I got some nice payouts. Had some nice days. 5,000 that day, 1,200, 1,960, and then on the 4th. So this was a really good week. On the 4th, I smashed the $10,000 mark. Shot it up to 36,515. And so yeah, so it says I can withdraw this, but I don't think I can. So I don't know. I will let you guys know as this is brand new for me. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. I like the experience from it, you know. Well, you have $5,000. So right? Yeah. I'll start with 5,000 in the account, in the live account, or 10,000 in the live account, but I'm planning on withdrawing half of it, or as much as I can. Put some of that in the bank. So it should start with like a $5,000 account, I believe. And I just passed another one today, like pro account, so I'm not even sure how that works. I'm pretty sure you can't trade them at the same time or something, someone was telling me, but I can still trade it. Ugh. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it there for the Power Hour stream. Made some nice trades there. Got the account up. Passed a few accounts. E-trading, NQ, yeah, max cons, 3 contracts on that day. Yeah, that was a 3 con max. Yeah, I'll see you guys at 6 p.m. Use code PINE, My Funded Futures. Really appreciate the support. If you'd like to help support my channel, Apex and Bulanox, use code PINE. Terry Trades 100, all caps, Take Profit Trader. And use my link. Yeah, I did on that day, e-trading. Mostly, yeah. Well, tonight I've been trading a lot of micros, but mostly I trade minis. Yeah. In this market, it's pretty difficult, but yeah, I'll see you guys tonight at 6 p.m. I'm gonna rest up for a few hours here and get ready to see you guys later. So I'll see you in a few hours. All right, guys. Peace.